Guys, this demonstration is going to be very short and straightforward. A few years back, when I started out my career as a 3D artist, I had high expectations, prediction galores. Unfortunately, I had series of downtime, which made me suffer series of setbacks, even up to the extent that some of my clients started to question my credibility because I couldn't deliver in time. But now I know more, now I know better. Here are a few ways of how you can speed up your render time in Blender using the Circle search engine. So, whether you use a Mac or you currently use a Microsoft OS, before you render your job, you come here, come to the render properties. By default, the render properties is always on heave. So you move it to circles. From the circles, you can see the noise threshold is at 0.1. You can leave it at 0.1, which is perfectly okay. So if what you are modeling is a static picture that does not have motion graphic, that does not have animation, we advise you reduce the max sample to 10. But if it is animated, make it 100, or let's say 300 max. But if it is static, make it 100. Sorry, if it is static, I mean make it 10. So for the denoise, you click on denoise. For the second part, the noise threshold here is on 0.01. Increase it to 0.1. And for the max samples, make it either 10 for static images or 300 for animation. Okay, the light is okay. And for the light part, total, make total 8. Leave diffuse, leave glossy. Transmission, make it 8. Volume, let it remain at 0. Transparent, it is perfectly okay. Then you scroll down and you mark fast GI approximation. What's next? I think that was all. Okay. So for your okay. Color management. Yeah, I think when it comes to color management, I always make use of high contrast, either high contrast or very high contrast. But I would advise you always make use of high contrast, depending on whatever you are trying to render. But I feel high contrast is the best. So with all the settings that I just showed you now, it makes my workflow to be very fast, and it reduces my render time drastically. You too, you can try it out, and let's see how it works out for you. See you in the next class. So in my next class, I'll be talking about how you can render with the Eve engine, and the outlook will come out great. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to be notified when I drop the next lecture. Thank you.